phenomena unavoidable. That's a topic why so disagreeable. Thought of death, why makes us uncomfortable? Death, a transition to an eternal life, why is not understandable? This is because our knowledge of our life cycle is negligible. Life does not end at the dash pause, but life is a process, continuous and transferable. Material I can't see the life after death, because material approach to that life is not conceivable. When spiritual eye opens, the life's track becomes traceable. Soul is life. Soul is immortal, while material body is perishable. Soul runs the material body. When soul leaves, the body becomes disabled. On demise of perishable and disabled, we become lamentables. Those who are aware of the reality of life take death as a situation negotiable. Life of this world is bicolored, a soulful and a soulless life. Both by everybody are accessible. The cause of death sends soulfuls to a life which is enjoyable. The cause of death pushes the soulless to a life which is condemnable. Man himself is the master of his destiny. It is his own choice to adapt a destination either flaming or peaceable. Thank you.